Hola, I'm your water husband and I got another video for you guys. So as you know, I've been backing Kickstarter comics, and out of 12 so far, this is the 5th one I received. Yay! I actually got another one today, but it's a PDF, so I'm going to do a video on that one later. It's another horror one called Strange Taste. But this one, I'm excited to know what it is because I have no idea. There were 2 people that gave us address surveys, so it could be either one. So let's see what it is. It's nice. It's in the Gemini mailer to make sure there's no bending or anything. Cannibals on Mars. It is a graphic novel. And I want to say it was horror as well. It's like space horror, sci-fi horror. Don't judge me, I'm obsessed with horror. Hey, let's see all the goodies that I got. Okay, this looks like a poster or a print. And then the actual book. Oh, here it is. I knew I had seen something. Carmilla is coming October 2022. I'm not sure who she is. It must be another comic that the artist or the writer is going to be doing in a couple of months. Maybe it's off a character off of here. I'm not sure. But I'm excited. I love the colors. Like, I was intrigued by their Kickstarter campaign page, and I was like, oh, I have to get it from the colors alone. I don't know if it's watercolor or if it's markers or how they did it, but I was really impressed. Oh, and it looks like in the back of the book, it has some of their secrets. Here's the crew. I want to say this was the guy, what's his name? David Schrader. I think it was his Kickstarter. But every time that I back someone's comic, I do follow them. That way I'll get an email from Kickstarter if they do any other projects or anything like that, or what they back, to see if I may like it as well. I'm excited to read this. Very excited. And with this tier, I think I just brought the book, the physical book, but then I think the stretch goals was this and this print, because I don't remember asking for anything extra. And then I also did get a PDF of this. I downloaded it, but I didn't touch it because I wanted to read this first, because if I went ahead and read the PDF, I probably wouldn't have picked this up. So I'm going to be excited to read this, see what's going on. Oh, I love these colors. But this is called Cannibals on Mars. And I thought the cover was very interesting. The variant covers were pretty cool as well. Oh, it looks like they did explain their coloring process in the back. I was very intrigued by that, so I'll definitely be reading that. But that is my video. Cannibals on Mars. It is horror and I feel like it's gonna be fun. Which that's funny, because the other comic is also about cannibalism. So I thought that was funny. I got two of like the same comics like on the same day. But if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, or subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.